So my name is Shantanu Rao, and I am working as the Associate Professor of Pharmaceutical Sciences in the College of Pharmacy at Findlay. I'm the Director for the Distance PharmD Learning Pathway for the college. The goal and vision of this program evolves around the fact that we offer pharmacy education to where the student is located. He or she has the ability to practice in their community, and maybe an underserved community or a community which is in need of good pharmacists. And I think by offering a distance PharmD learning pathway, we provide that opportunity to a student residing in such an area to practice and serve the community around the country. By having a group of faculty who are dedicated for student success, the intention of this program is to offer the best support to a distance learner who is part of the online PharmD pathway. My teaching philosophy revolves around the fact that I truly believe in learning and serving. Our college, a small private college, is centered around student success. Through concerted efforts, we have planned the curriculum in a way that students get the opportunity to visit campus on 5 different occasions throughout the PharmD curriculum, including their orientation and their graduation, and then yearly summer immersions. During these events, there are several activities which involve not only in-person interaction with faculty but also with their peers. Through the curriculum and the experiential learning components and the summer immersions, the student is well versed with the practice skills and qualities which are needed to be successful out in the world. We at the University of Findlay College of Pharmacy have devoted adequate time to prepare students so that they have the required practice skills to succeed not only in their advanced pharmacy practice but also in the real life when they go on to become a pharmacist. To an aspiring applicant who is looking into our distance PharmD pathway, the only thing I would say is this is truly a student-centered, dedicated pharmacy program. Faculty here are to help students and make sure that they are successful not only in their academics but in life beyond graduation.